I do apologize for that mess up. My mom was calling me because we were going to the movies for my mom's birthday. She's turning 79 this coming Saturday, on the 19th of July. Tomorrow is my grandpa's 105. He would have been if he was still alive. Anyway, I'm so sorry for the mess up. We're doing the collection update for the A24. Like I said, I didn't get anything new, but except for that one DVD, Death Becomes Her. I'll see what I can do to get a 4K. And maybe others that I have missed. Anyway, here's Everything Everywhere All at Once. It's a very good movie. It is long. Next time, if you want to see this movie, you better want to watch it alone before dinner time. We went to the wrong Walmart, guys. I do apologize for that. So we need to kind of focus on that one. So yeah, this is A24. Here's the disc. Again, I know it's during the day. I usually do this at night. Here is Come On, Come On from Martine. Some of these are already all ones. My dad got me a one format, and then I got myself another format myself. I think y'all really want that one. I hope I get another cases and see what we can find better. This is okay film. It's Bodies, Bodies, and Bodies. Everyone dies in this one. Tells the truth. Each a friend member. 2 of them survived it. Found out who the real killer is. This is a must-see horror and comedy. Here's the Blu-ray. Here's the white disc. I have not gone around to see this one yet. Priscilla from Elvis. Chanel. I need another format from Pearl, Maya Goth is amazing of all movies. Haven't got to see yet, I'm still watching the others. It was amazing to get this one from Zac Efron. Then Iron Claw is a wrestling movie. I'm a huge fan. And for this month is VFW. And then there's going to be a softball the rest until we finish that sport. I heard great things about the Iron Claw. I haven't watched Civil War yet. 28 days later, I'd like to get that one. And the others. I still need to watch. So I got all the war movies. I would like to get another format for the Talk to Me. I wish I got the hand. There you go. This was a little slow, but I enjoyed it with Nicolas Cage. Dream Cinema. But it was still good movie to watch. I really need to get to watching X-IT West, another My Goth movie. Maxine. I still need to watch. Yes, my mom has Trophy Club tonight, so we can relax. I got the other stuff that I got. Like I said, I need to keep watching the old ones before I got the new ones, but the new ones are more than important to watch first. I don't know what movie to go to see at the AMC 24 yet. Here is the A24 pack. We got some of them I can pronounce, not all of them. Harry X, Green Room, The Witch, and it comes at night. It's hard to see because it's on blue. I'm not going to unwrap this one. I got this today. And it's called Warfare with Alex Garland. It was a belt. I got it anyway. Let's see if it's any good. So I can show you guys all the war movies. It's a Blu-ray. I got Baby Girl. I'm not trying to rush this. I'm just trying to pace myself until later tonight. Tomorrow, I hope I get a nice, good, fat, full paycheck and see what's online to purchase for myself. If I can get 3 movies, that'd be great. Just to add to the largest collection I have. It's also a Blu-ray. It's a really good movie. And you see the candy there. There's some cards. I don't want to take them out yet. So that's all the art cards from the movie. I forgot one more. Come on.